Now that the market has gotten more exciting again, we are seeing big activity from the large players in the space. Yes, I'm talking about the whales, the ones with the big bags that have the ability to move the market. Well, what we're seeing with SHIB is actually a major surge in whale activity. In fact, it is up now 2,300% over the past few days. Now, it's important to note that whale activity can be good, it can be bad. They could be selling, they could be buying, but it's important to note that with SHIB, we are seeing the positive signs. In fact, over the past 48 hours, we've seen an influx of 4.52 trillion SHIB token. Now, this is important because at the same time that we have seen this increase in inflows, we've seen a decrease in outflows. All right, so there's been a big shift in terms of the net flow of Shiba Inu. Now, this is important because as SHIB has been climbing, these whales have been trying to pick up their positions and prepare for the bull market cycle. You got to remember that eventually BTC is going to take off and not turn back. It's going to be a big driver for the market, and these whales know this. They've been around the space for a long time. Many of these top SHIB whales are whales in Ethereum and Bitcoin and ones that have been around the block for quite some time. So I would not be surprised if we continue to see this movement towards SHIB whales accumulating as there is strength in the market. Right now, obviously, BTC sits at 30,006. It's showing this strong, sustainable growth right now. We haven't even gotten to this point where there's a bunch of shorts that have been liquidated. We'll obviously see if there are short positions that are open as we get into later this week, as we get into the FOMC meeting and stuff like that, the GDP, right? But for now, everything is looking very good. Now, I will say this. There's something that SHIB needs to do for this final bullish confirmation. Okay, we have broken this long-term downtrend, it's the first time we've done it actually since late August, and that was essentially like a quick blip above it coming back down. We obviously had the big break when we had the launch of Shibarium. That was obviously a great sign there. And then SHIB, I believe, broke it back in February as well. Yeah, all the way back there. So what we need to see here is this bullish cross. We have not gotten that with SHIB for quite some time. The last time it occurred was, again, back in July before the launch of Shibarium. We also saw it early in the year, early January, as we started to make that massive run to the upside. Right now, SHIB has got a little work to do for us to get to this bullish cross. In fact, it looks like we're probably not going to make this bullish cross until sometime later this week, 5 days, 7 days, but we are in fact turning around as far as the trend line goes. We need to see the sustained growth with BTC. We need to see these whales keep buying. We need to see more positive days ahead. So just be prepared. This is what we need to see in order for SHIB to continue running the way that it is right now. But I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, but hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.